Money transfer apps lets you transfer money quickly, safely, and conveniently without having any issues. And with the numerous money transfer apps in the world right now, with some very popular ones like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App, you can choose from this large list and get which one favors you more. Well, without any more waste of time, we will get started with our video proper. Today, we will be showing you how to send money from PayPal to bank account using 3 main methods. We will be back after the short intro. To send money from PayPal to bank account, there are 3 main methods. They are: Method 1, using PayPal's built-in transfer feature. This feature will allow you to link your PayPal and your bank account, and all you have to do will be to just enter the app and send your cash. Method 2, using a third-party service. Third-party services like TransferWise or Xoom allow you to send cash quickly and easily, and with even lesser fees than PayPal's built-in feature. Method 3, using another peer-to-peer transfer service. Other P2P services like Venmo or Square Cash are free to use but do have transfer limits. Well, these are the main 3 steps you should know if you are sending money from PayPal to bank account. And most PayPal users usually use the first method of transfer. To know all the steps detailedly, quickly hit the link in the description below and get more knowledge from our written article. And we now come to the end of this video, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe button, and hit the bell for frequent notifications from us.